Hello kids, colors name. Let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Here's orange color, red color, blue color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, light pink color and pink color. Here's colors name. Star. Kids, Easter. Heart. Triangle. Kids, triangle. Octagon and square. Yes, square and this circle. Here's color pen. Easter, yellow color. Purple color, kids. Heart. Purple color, heart. Green color, triangle. Orange color, octagon. Blue color, square. Pink color, kids. Circle. Star, heart, triangle, octagon, square, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.